Hi everyone, it is officially time to start packing and I'm so excited. I'm obviously very excited to like move and stuff, but I've been wanting to pack for months now, mainly because I want to get it over with. I really just wanted to get it done ahead of time, have it all be ready, but packing is not something that you can do ahead of time. It's something that kind of has to be more last minute because you need to have access to your stuff, obviously. I'm making this little protein coffee drink to keep me going throughout the day. I'm not even gonna do that much today, honestly. Here's my packing game plan. We're gonna start from the furthest point from my room and work my way towards my bedroom. So the order that I'm gonna be packing in is basically living room, kitchen, bathroom, and then bedroom last. But a couple things that I do wanna do first are take the pictures off the walls. So that way, if anything damages the wall, I have time to fix it rather than taking the pictures down like the last day I'm here and then not having any time to like fix the wall. And I wanna move my bed to the corner of my room just so I can have some more floor space to pile up all the boxes once they're packed. I move in less than a week and I'm just now starting to pack, so it is crunch time. So first things first, let's move the bed. All right, so my bed and this nightstand are gonna get pushed up against the wall so that I have all of this space to stack up boxes. So what I need to do is take all of these boxes, move them to the other side. Same with this cart. These are basically just all the boxes that I've been saving up from any packages that I get to help me pack. And I need to take stuff out from underneath this side of my bed. So let's do all that. We've got everything cleared from this side of the room, but this side looks like a complete disaster, which is fine, that's expected. So I'm gonna start moving stuff over. That was like a million times easier than I thought it was gonna be. Now all the clutter is in one spot, but now I'm grabbing a box and now we are heading into the living room. Okay, I'm just gonna build this box. The living room will be super easy to pack because I just don't have very much stuff in here. I'm not sure how many boxes I'm gonna need. Bedroom is gonna be the biggest headache, but hopefully the other rooms should be fine. I don't know where this tape starts. Trying to decide how I want to do this. I have a bunch of books in here, but do I want to put all my books in the same box? I probably should, so I'll have to get some from my room. I don't really know what I'm doing. Oh well. We're just gonna start. I'm not gonna think about it and I'm not gonna try to plan it out. We're just gonna start throwing things in boxes. Okay guys, I lied about just throwing things in a box. I was just getting overwhelmed taking all the stuff off of this shelf, all my stuff out of the entertainment center, and just other places throughout the room. So I piled everything up on this rug right here. There's just such a variety of stuff. Like there's some fragile stuff in here, so I'm just not really sure how to go about this. There's a few more things like the coasters on the coffee table that are mine, and then this flower vase, but I'm gonna wait on that. And then I'm also not packing up my desk right now because I will probably be editing. So we're just starting with what's on the ground. I think I'm gonna go grab my other books too and start putting them all in this box. Okay, I packed all of my books in this box. I've heard to do them standing upright, so that's what I did, but I feel like this is wrong somehow because this box is gonna be so heavy and I'm so nervous that it's gonna just like break and fall through. But I'm just gonna keep going. I feel like this video is gonna end up being like an hour long because I'm just starting. Like this is my first box and I'm like walking you guys through every little thing, so I'm gonna stop doing that. We're gonna move through this a little bit faster. I'm just quickly gonna take down these pictures so I can throw them in the living room box. And we are done. No damage to the wall. I'm so happy. Let's hope it's the same for the ones in my room. I also realized that I have not really explained the situation of this apartment that I'm currently in. So for those of you who don't know, I have a roommate. Her name is Rachel, and Rachel is actually staying here and she's gonna have a new roommate that's gonna take my place. So I'm actually able to just leave a lot of stuff here that I don't want anymore and stuff like that. So I'm actually leaving a ton of the furniture. The only thing that I'm really taking that we bought together is the kitchen table and chairs. So that makes it a whole lot easier on me for packing. So if you're wondering why I'm not like emptying the entire living room out, like there's still a bunch of stuff on the entertainment center and stuff like that, that's why. A lot of it is Rachel's and it's staying here. So I just thought I'd tell you guys that so that you're not confused for this whole video why I'm only packing some things and leaving others. Anyways, let's keep packing. I will update you guys later. so the living room is pretty much done with the exception of my desk. I have a few boxes sitting right here. Anyways, I am gonna start on the kitchen now and just do some of the things that I won't be using for the next week, like some baking stuff, my tea kettle, my little cake tray, stuff like that. All right, you guys, here is everything that I packed today. I would say this is some really good progress. I wasn't really expecting to get this much done, but it does worry me a little bit that all of that took up 4 entire boxes. That makes me wonder if I have enough. That also makes me a little worried because I already told the moving company how many boxes to expect. I really had no idea. So I Googled how many boxes you need to move a 1-bedroom apartment, and it said like 10 to 20 basically. So I told them like around 15, and I am very nervous that that's not gonna be enough because that was only 4, and I feel like I barely made a dent in the kitchen, and then I have my entire bedroom. So I don't know, we'll see. The last thing I'm gonna do today is take down the pictures on the walls in my room, so let's get started. All right, everything is off this wall and this wall. Wow, it looks so bare in here. It's actually starting to hit me today how soon the move is now that I'm like packing and things are starting to look a little bit more empty in here. It just feels so crazy. But the command strips did a great job of not leaving any damage. The only thing is the wall looks a little bit dirty, which you might not even be able to tell on camera, but I can easily just like wipe down the walls and it'll probably look good as new. So I realized I forgot to take this mirror down, so I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm leaving up my whiteboard because you guys know that thing is my lifeline. I can't have it down even for less than a week, so I will worry about that later. But yeah, after I take this down, I think that's gonna be it for today, and I will keep working tomorrow. All right, it's day 2 of packing, and I'm honestly already stressing out. My plan was to do my room last, but honestly, this mess over here was just stressing me out, and I was like, you know what? Let's just get this done and over with because I like hardly had room to walk. So this morning, something that I worked on is starting this large box full of clothes that I don't wear as often. So this is gonna be just like some stuff that was under my bed, maybe some like bigger jackets. I have like swimsuits in here, stuff like that. And so my strategy for this box is to do a little DIY like vacuum airtight situation to like compress down the size of it, if that makes sense. So basically I put all of my swimsuits in a trash bag, and then I held my vacuum in there and turned it on, and it just sucked all the air out and made it look like this. So that's what I'm gonna do for this entire box, and hopefully that'll save some space. Like I said, I'm getting stressed out, so I'm kind of just not sure like what the plan is for today, what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pack whatever I think makes sense to pack today and get out of the way and stuff like that. So let's get started. Okay, so it's a bit later and I decided to take a break from my room for a little bit. It was just starting to get to that point where like I didn't know what to do next because there was just so much stuff. Day 1 of packing went great and I wasn't even really stressed. It was really easy because all I really did was the living room and then some of the kitchen. I did get a lot of stuff done, but I don't know, today is just feeling so much more stressful. So anyways, I decided to come in the kitchen and start packing some of the dishes. For some reason, I just really felt like getting dishes done and stuff like that. So we're starting on that right now. Here's the situation. I decided to take everything that's mine out of all of these cabinets and just lay everything out so I would know exactly what needs to be packed. And then I have this box right here that's like a smaller one with just some random stuff I got from IKEA in it for right now. So I'm thinking this box will be water bottles, cups, bowls, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna start with those things and then we'll go from there. It's now day 4 of packing. Yesterday, I feel like I got so much done and it's made me feel a lot better about how much stuff I have left and just packing in general, because I was super stressed about it before, but now I feel 10 times better because I actually feel like I've made a pretty big dent. So here is what my room looks like right now. Everything is out of these drawers in my vanity. My dresser is still pretty full. This drawer was cleaned out except for a few things that I might need for the next few days. So I'll work on my dresser today. I have like some extra bags and like backpacks over here to pack more of like the last minute stuff. I have a bag of stuff that I'm gonna donate. A bunch of boxes over here, stuff I'm using to like wrap stuff in. There's just like a few last minute things in this cart that I'm probably gonna need for the next few days. And then here is what my closet's looking like. It's pretty empty back here. And then the moving company will have wardrobe boxes, so I should hopefully be able to fit all of these clothes in there. I'll probably grab some of the extra hangers that aren't being used and pack those, but other than that, my closet's pretty close to being done, kind of. And then I have to pack my shoes, but I am leaving the actual like shoe organizer because I won't have a place to put it in my new apartment. That nightstand is emptied out, and then this one, I cleared out some stuff, but there's still a few things in there. So that's the update on my room. We're really getting there, so that's why I feel so much better. The kitchen is what I'm gonna start on right now because I wanna make sure I have enough boxes for it, so I kinda wanna get that done first. And then all that's left after the kitchen is the rest of my room and then the bathroom, but there's not much stuff in the bathroom at all, so that'll be one of the last things that I pack. I did go to Home Depot yesterday to get some more boxes. I got a bunch of smaller ones because I wanna be able to fit some in my car, and the other sizes would kind of just be too much to put in my car. So the smaller ones will help me be able to take some of the more like essential type things and have those with me instead of leaving them with the movers. I'm actually using under my bed to store those things for now, and then I'll pack them last. So I have some toilet paper, I have my new toothbrush, I have some hand soap, tissues, towels, more hand soap, sheets, pillowcases, stuff like that. But yeah, let's just get started on the kitchen. All right, little update on how the kitchen is going. I finished this box. This had a bunch of dishes in it and kind of just like a lot of random stuff. And I'm doing this box right now. This is the air fryer and a bunch of Tupperware. And then I'm gonna be putting a bunch of like these containers in here. I might end up putting the toaster in there too, actually. I keep like triple checking that I'm not forgetting anything. I need to grab my vitamins. I've looked through all of these drawers so many times. It's going well. I was overwhelmed on the first box because I was like, wow, I feel like I have so much more stuff than I thought. Also, I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder and I just don't like my hair today, so I don't feel like confident vlogging right now, and I hate when that happens. This week I've just known that I'm gonna spend like the whole week packing and getting sweaty and stuff like that, and so I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna wash my hair, I'm just gonna let it sit. Maybe I'll put like a little oil mask on or something. So that's why my hair has been a little bit more slicked back. Not that any of you guys cared. Also, I've been wearing like the same rotation of clothes for the past couple days because I'm trying not to have too much dirty laundry so that I don't have to do a ton when I move in. So I have worn these shorts for like 3 days. This t-shirt is new, but I literally already got makeup on it, so it doesn't look like it's new. But yeah, so that's the update. I'm gonna try to throw as many things in this box as I possibly can because I would love for this to be the last of the kitchen stuff, but I just feel like there's more that I'm forgetting about and it's really bothering me. That's why I keep checking all the cabinets like a million times. But yeah, I don't know. I just want to fit everything in the kitchen into this last medium box. You guys know I'm a little bit stressed about running out of boxes. I can't remember if I said that or not, but I just don't want to use too many because I told the moving company a certain amount and I don't want to go over that. But it was also just like an estimation, and I feel like it's not realistic for moving companies to be like, okay, well, you have 16 boxes and you said 15, so we're gonna charge you. You know what I mean? Maybe that is how some of them are. I'm just hoping that this one isn't. I've never had movers before. Like, I've never moved in my life this seriously, I guess, if that makes sense. The only times I've ever moved in my life is from my hometown to my dorm. Lived in the same house for the whole 18 years before that, and then from my dorm to this apartment. So I've never like moved with like a lot of stuff. When I moved here, I had half of a room worth of stuff, and now I have a bedroom, a kitchen, a living room, a bathroom. So this is all new to me, but let's keep packing. Update, it is a bit later. I finished the kitchen, which I am so happy about. Also, this is how many boxes I have left. I also did start this small box that I'll take with me in my car or my parents' car of cleaning supplies that I might need on day 1. Okay, it is day 5 of packing. Basically, the plan is tomorrow my parents are gonna come down in like the afternoon to come help me just like finish stuff up, do whatever else I need to do. And then the day after that, the movers come in the morning and then we head out. So in 48 hours, I will be in my new apartment, which is crazy. I feel like for so long, the time was going by so slow because I was so excited. But the past month has just like flown by, especially this past week. This morning, Rachel and I went to the Beechwood Cafe and it was really fun. We got some cute pictures and I posted on Instagram today, which I wasn't expecting to do. It was kind of just like a fun little spontaneous thing. So I'm very happy we did that. But packing update, the kitchen is I think completely done, and then the bathroom is like 99% done. The only stuff that's still in there is like skincare that I need to use tonight, tomorrow, and the next morning, and same with like the shower stuff. But everything else is packed. There's like a few decor type things that aren't, like my lamps. I'm not gonna pack those until probably tomorrow, maybe tomorrow night. I don't know. It's all just like random stuff left that I feel like I kind of don't know where to put. Like I just finished packing a box full of literally the most random things that I just am not really sure like what to do with. Yeah, I don't know. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of my stuff. I also just ran out of packing tape, so I won't really be able to do anything right now, which is probably good. I should just like let myself relax for a bit. My friends are gonna come over in a little bit. I think we might go to Target because I need to get some packing tape, but there's also a Starbucks in the Target and I kind of want Starbucks, so I'll see if they want to do that with me. And yeah, that's my update for today. Not much is gonna go on, honestly, just packing the small things that are left over, so I will update you guys later. Okay guys, my friends just left and I am feeling so bittersweet right now because that was just one of those like hangout slash like moments where you just feel so grateful for the friendships that you have. I don't know, I just had such a good time with them and I was just feeling so grateful to have them in my life, but then also so sad that I won't get to see them as often. But we're not gonna be like crazy far away and they're gonna come visit and we're gonna have so much fun and make new memories in new places, and all of our hangouts can be really intentional, which is nice. Even though I really do love just like the spontaneous little like dessert dates where you literally just like sit and talk and have a little treat or something. But I'm trying to look on the bright side and just remind myself that like I still am gonna see them. Like they're still my friends. Not like I just am never gonna like talk to them again. So it's gonna be okay. I am trying to start this roll of tape right now and it is like impossible. We went to Target because I ran out of packing tape again. One of the takeaways that I have from moving, or I guess just from packing because I haven't actually like moved yet technically, is you need a lot more supplies to pack than you think. Maybe that's just me because I, as you guys know, haven't really moved before, at least not like this. But I've gone through like 3 rolls of tape now and I did have to go to the store to get more boxes, stuff like that. Like I just have more stuff than I realized. I feel like I have said this a million times in this video, but I literally don't know what to do right now because I've packed almost everything. So maybe I can just stop and kind of relax. And then tomorrow when my parents get here, they can kind of like look at everything and like give me a different perspective and be like, okay, this is what you should pack next. Because that's what I had to do the other day with Rachel. I was overwhelmed and I didn't know what I should pack next. So I had her come in my room and look at my stuff and tell me what to pack next, like what would make the most sense. And she did, and that helped. So I'll have my parents do that tomorrow, but honestly, there's really not much left. Like I don't know what else to do. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, my parents are about to be here. I just said bye to one of my best friends, Kaylin. She gave me the cutest little housewarming gift. It was like a little trinket box and she wrote a note, but I cannot read it right now because I will cry. So I'll probably read that tomorrow. But yeah, my parents are gonna get here right now. I feel like there's not a ton left to do, so I'm not really sure what the plan is, but maybe we'll end up going and doing something fun. So we shall see. It is officially move-in day.